Hello mga madam! Welcome back! So ayan, meron akong 3 paper bag dito ng Gucci. So excited na po ba kayong makita to? So samahan niyo po ako mag-unbox mga madam ng 3 Gucci Boston bag. And nasa likod ko po yung mga pre-ordered items ng mga madam this February 2024. So open po natin yung napakaliit niya, which is the XS size. Next, the medium size. Ayan, mga madam. And then last is the large size, mga madam. As you can see, mga madam, ayan yung 3 sizes, XS, medium, and large. So this is the large, and this is the medium, and then ito po yung maliit na XS size. So ito, naswerte yan ni madam. This is only 85,880 sa outlet, and then this one is 115,880, and then this one is 120,000 pesos po. So ganyan siya, mga madam. Ayan, napakaganda. So if you want to know more about these bags, meron po tayong YouTube review, and kung gusto niyo naman po i-pre-order, kindly message our Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, YouTube account, Baggage PH.